Today I am challenging myself by creating this beautiful summer look using only Dior products in under 10 minutes. Is this going to be a complete success or a complete fail? For those summer days where you just don't have that much time and you want to look put together, then this is for you. I am challenging myself. I also am going to create this winged liner in under 10 minutes. So before I get into the challenge, I do want to show you what I received from Dior. So just a little unboxing for you. Now, I did not currently own any kind of mascara or eyeliner by Dior, and it was perfect timing because Dior just released a new eyeliner and a new mascara that I really wanted to try. So first, the mascara. And you guys, this is a really good mascara. I was skeptical at first, which is why I didn't purchase it, but I'm so glad that Dior sent it to me, and the packaging, so beautiful. It is part of their new collection where they also came out with eyeshadow palettes, and I do have a full review of the eyeshadow palettes that I love. But this mascara has a very interesting wand. It really gets into those hairs. It's not as stiff. This mascara really volumizes the lashes. Now I will continue to use this and I'll let you know how it goes and whether or not it flakes throughout the day. But for first use, I really do like it. Next is the liquid liner. Now Dior did release quite a few shades in these. I ended up choosing the satin brown. I love me a good brown eyeliner. I use them consistently and I really love the tip to this. It is nice and pointy, which makes it so much easier to create a winged look. I did use it today and I really just love this shade. It's also very easy to use. Next we have the Forever Nude Bronze, and if you watch my channel you know that I recently reviewed these and have fallen in love with them. Now I had the smaller version and Dior has this larger palette that I am in awe of. I really love this bronzer. It has easily become one of my favorites. It blends so easily, and this was actually the reason why I came up with the idea to do this 10-minute challenge, because of how easy this blends. It really creates a flawless type of bronzed look. You can actually use a huge brush with this and just go ahead and swipe it all over your skin to give you that warmth. Then we have the eyeshadow palette as well as a lip product. So if you remember a couple of weeks ago, I reviewed the new summer collection. I purchased the pink palette. I loved it so much that I needed to have the coral. These palettes are gorgeous. The shades are beautiful. They blend seamlessly. They are perfect for the summer season, and I just simply had to create this challenge with this palette. For lips, I decided to go with the Dior Addict lipstick. Now, I have one of these and I do love them, but it's in a lilac shade. I've always wanted to try this in a more pinky nude shade, and I went for Atelier. And this is gorgeous. I do have it on my lips. I did use this as part of the challenge today, and I think it is gorgeous. It is easily going to become one of my favorite Dior lipstick shades. It wouldn't be a Dior order without some freebies. So because it was Mother's Day, Dior did send me the free Mother's Day bag. And this is just simply so beautiful. I can't wait to put my makeup products in here. This is going to be so essential for travel and also for a 10-minute look like I am doing today. I think it is perfect to have all of your go-to makeup products in a bag like this and just keep it on your vanity for days where you just don't have that much time to apply your makeup. You have everything there. You just go ahead and remove, apply your makeup and go, where you don't have to find the makeup that you use on a day-to-day basis. But this bag is absolutely gorgeous. It is more of a mesh type of bag. It is very simple yet elegant. Really gorgeous gift. So those are all of the products. Now let me zoom you guys in and let's start off with the challenge. I'm starting off with bare skin. I just applied my moisturizer this morning and that is it. So I am going to put 10 minutes on my timer. All right, let's do this. So first I am actually going to start off with my eyes. So first, let's go ahead and pick up the shade here, and then I'm going to apply this all over my eye. The thing with Dior makeup is they are very easily blended onto your eye. Just like that. So when you don't have a lot of time, these are usually the palettes to go for. Okay, so next I am going to pick up the shade here, and then I just want to apply this on the outer corner and extend it inwards as well. Just like so. So beautiful. I just simply had to get this one as well. The pink palette is also really beautiful. So I usually extend this at the bottom and I create a wing. This gives me a guide as to where my wing is going to be. Normally I would add a shade that is a little bit more pigmented. These are not as pigmented, but I could still see the line. For the eyeliner, and this is a brown eyeliner. So just using the line that I drew, just gonna do a line like so, and then extend that in. I don't like to do my eyeliner too far in, just like to keep it on the outside, and I fill in the wing. The liner will take the longest time, but with practice, you'll find that it's so much easier to apply, and also using a pen like this is so much easier. All right, now I want to pick up this really beautiful coral shade, and I want to add this right in the middle and a little bit to the outer corner. And then I want to simultaneously blend in the shade here. It's not as dark as you would think. That looks gorgeous. Using my finger, I'm going to grab the shade here, and then I'm going to put this in the inner corner just to give that a highlight. And just like that, we have a glammed look that is perfect for the summer season and so easy to do. Now for the base, so I am going to use this stick foundation, which is the easiest to use. Just go ahead and apply it all over, and then I get my foundation brush and just blend that in. Now for some concealer, and I am using the Dior concealer. This has been my favorite concealer for years. It is just so easy to apply, very blendable, and it lasts all day. And then we just go ahead and blend that in. All right, now that that's all blended in, I am going to go back with my foundation brush and just make sure that that is all seamlessly blended. Okay, so now I am going to apply some mascara. And this is such an interesting mascara. I'm so excited to try it. Ooh, look at that. I can see that it's just a little bit clumpy, but it is giving me a volume, plenty of volume. All right, so that is one eye, and then we'll just put some on the bottom lashes, and then again on the other side. Okay, I love the way this mascara looks. It is so beautiful. All right, now for bronzer, and I just love how big this is. So let's go ahead and use my bronzing brush. We are going to skip the contour today, and we're just going to go in with this one here just to bronze up my skin. And why I love this so much is because of how easy it is to apply it. It just gives you such a flawless look. Just look at that. Oh, I really do love the matte version of this. So pretty. And oh, look at that glow. It's so beautiful. All right, so there's the bronzer. Now let's apply some blush. And for blush, I'm actually going to use the eyeshadow palette itself. I'm just going to pick up the middle shade. And then I'm going to apply this on my cheeks. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Just another way to use this eyeshadow palette. All right. All right, next we have lips. Oh, we're at 10 minutes. Okay, so let's grab our lips to go. And there's the lips, all done. And pretty much 10 minutes to create this entire look. Very easy and just seamless. Everything is blended. It just shows you how easy it is to use these products. If you are in a hurry, you still want to create a glammed look. I personally cannot believe it. I did want to do this as a challenge, especially with the wing liner, because the wing liner takes forever to do. But with practice, I do know that you can get better. And today, the wing liner took really the longest. Otherwise, everything else blended in seamlessly, and it really took 10 minutes to do it, minus the lipstick. Of course, I did fail on the lipstick, but I chose this lipstick formula for that very reason. I knew I was going to perhaps run out of time towards the end, and this lipstick is just so easy. You don't even need a mirror. You can just apply it and go. It gives that really nice pigment. It goes with the look seamlessly. And I just love this color so much. I love that pinky nude shade. So that is it for my challenge today. What do you guys think? Will you be trying out this 10-minute challenge with the Dior products that you have? I definitely highly recommend you do so. It is so fun. And also, you never know, you might find your go-to makeup look this summer season. If you are not subscribed to my channel, definitely be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in any more of my videos, I will leave a couple more right here for you. I will see you in my next video.